Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Again, sorry for no videos yesterday. As I said in the other thing, we had major technical problems and losing all my charts. Still trying to recover. These are just a couple handmade until I can get everything else recovered. You know, I had to recreate these, so I don't have everything on that like the RSI, but I wanted to get some updates out while we're working on recovering everything. So EOS, not really nice pullback, 37.5% GAN level, catching on the rising 50. So dipping down there, hitting 37.5, then catching on there, rotating back up, now getting the first cross of rotation zone again, just so we got the double cross pattern. This is a really good one to watch for. So you get the nice double cross, and then it catches on. Now we're looking at to make sure it can sustain the move higher. Right now, very key resistance at this $19 mark. Lots of selling that's constantly coming in at this $19 mark, so keep that in mind. If we do break back down, first level support 17, next level support about 15.85, then we'll have to look at the daily chart. Now if we can get through this $19 mark, we'll be watching for about 20.63, and then if we get through that, return to back to the highs. So you can always raise a stop if you did any purchasing here at these next key levels. Major highs, then we have 23.91, 24.80 to 25.42, and then 27.81. Let's check in on that daily chart, however. So you see we came down, hit the 8 EMA, bounced back up, then went through it but closed back above it. So this dipped in the rotation zone, and now we got the rotation back up. So again, 1584 if we were to break down, and then below that we'd be looking at about 14 the bottom of the rotation zone. So that's what we're looking for in EOS. Checking in on Ethereum. We had a potential double top, now turning into a triple top. So we had one rotation, now we have a full another rotation back up to the prior right hand side top. So that's a triple top. That's why you don't see the downside projections on Ethereum. We're now looks like we're catching on the rotation zone finally, and now rotating back up. Next key area of resistance is about 695 to 700. Lots of selling pressure has been coming in there, so if you have bought in this dip, you might want to raise a stop at that level. Then we'll watch for a return to 712. We can also do a reverse GAN box projection for our minor levels, so that would be 726, 740. Next two majors are 756 and 800. Now, if we cannot hold this and break down again, key support coming in, you see buyers stepped in here, and this was prior resistance becoming support. 640, then we'd be watching down for about 623, and if we broke through that, down to 579. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart, we're holding just at the 8. We did dip down yesterday, but we snapped back above it. Now we're holding at the 8. The 8's caught up, so we're going to see if this can actually finally propel it higher. Keep in mind that 21, the bottom of the daily rotation zone, is coming in about 611. So that's going to be another area to watch for. About 617 to 611 right in this area could be very key support if we do break down again. So a quick little update on EOS and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.